So ZHIYUN just released a really cool and powerful light called the FIVERAY M20c. With 20-watt RGB colors and awesome magnetic attachments, this could be the best video travel light out there. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black, and this is a short, not short, product preview, straight to the point and no fluff. So this is the FIVERAY M20c, a tiny light the size of sticky notes, but with a big impact. And to turn it on, it's just a single press to long press, and it will power on that way, just making sure you don't accidentally turn it on in your backpack. You have these two knobs here where you can control the brightness and colors and even navigate to different modes. Then there's this little cage that you can fit around it, giving you 3 cold shoe mounts and a quarter thread mount. And then on the front, there's these little magnets on the edges where you can put different attachments, like this magnetic diffuser cover. So that'll make that light feel a little bit softer on your skin. And there's also a honeycomb diffuser. Plus you get a matte box where you can really control where this light goes. Now, because you can get 20 watts of power, they designed it with this fan cooling system to keep it from overheating. The color temperature for the CCT light gives you a warm 2500 Kelvin to a whopping cold 10,000 Kelvin. And equipped with the built-in green magenta control that tailors to your shoot's ambience to perfection, and the memory feature that takes you on a quick switch to immediately revisit your preferred lighting ambience. Well, you can quickly get up and running in no time, but also you can quickly shuffle through all the colors, picking your desired color. Not to mention you have 10 creative lighting effects like strobe, TV, police car, lightning, paparazzi, candle, and more, plus 6 RGB moods and music modes to change to the sound. You can also connect this to your smartphone, and with their app, you can control it from there, which especially comes in handy if you have a few of these and you want to control them all at the same time. The back is magnetic, so you can pop this thing onto anything metal, and the battery at full power will last around 40 minutes or 3 hours at the 5-watt output. So it's a really cool system, and check out the link in the description for the most up-to-date and current price. I especially love this matte box thing. I think that's amazing to be able to shape where your light goes. And you can do some really cool and creative stuff with it. And yeah, just like that color tone just looks really good. But that's the FIVERAY M20c. Thank you so much for watching. More products to share with you on this channel, so do stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for watching another short, not short product preview. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.